Earl? Earl, honey, it's time to get up.
Okay, Mom.
Come on, out of bed, sleepyhead.
I'm up.
No, you're not.
Be right there.
Now, come on, Earl. It's almost sunrise.
No sunrise for me, thanks.
Earl, we've got a surprise for you.
A surprise? I'm up.
It's sunrise, son, the start of a new day.
It's a very special day, Earl. Today, your father's going to teach you how to fly.
Is that the surprise?
That's it.
No thanks.
Hey, sport, don't you want to use your wings and soar into the wild blue yonder?
Not really.
Oh, now, Earl, you don't want to sit in the nest for the rest of your life and have us feed you, do you?
Is that possible?
Oh, no. You need to learn how to fly.
Dad, flying's for the birds. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but it's just not my thing.
But you're a bird. If you don't fly, how will you get from place to place?
I'll take the bus.
Come on, Earl. You'll be a great flyer, just like me. I'll show you how.